The key fob I'll be working on, it's from a 2019 Toyota Camry. If your key fob looks like this, then the procedure to change the battery should be the same. The lock button, unlock, trunk. There's a silver thing right here. Silver button, push it, key come out. Push the silver button again. Flip the key back. Both Toyota Camry and Toyota Corolla use this key fob, but I'm not sure about the year of the car. So to take the battery out, turn to the back, you'll see a slot right there. Use a flat screwdriver, put in the slot, turn the screwdriver, and then remove this cover. The battery is right there. The positive sign is facing up. To get the battery out, I'm going to use a smaller flat screwdriver. You should look at the battery you're working on. For this battery, it's showing CR2032. I got this pack of battery. These are CR2032. I'm gonna put the new battery in. Remember the positive sign is facing up. Put this cover back on. And then I'm gonna put this other cover back on. I did end the video, but I forgot to mention something, so let me tell you real fast. I removed the cover again, and earlier these two rings were not here. I put it there. If you look right here where my finger is pointing, it'll have the battery information. It says CR2032. It says it right there.